I use two phrases to describe what I do, and one is reliability and the other is operational excellence. I'm Ron Moore, and I'm the managing partner of the RM Group. And I've written several books. The most popular one is Making Common Sense Common Practice, and it'll soon be out in the 6th edition. I never thought there'd be a 2nd edition, but here we are. There are several key elements about assuring reliability and operational excellence, but the most important one is having good leadership. One of the keys is to educate the leadership about their role in supporting, driving, demanding, encouraging, all those practices to be done properly. The second one, of course, would be aligning the organization. The third thing would be, the culture of the organization. Everybody says that. But what I've found is that you'll have a good culture in an organization if you do 3 things well. You have to have a compelling reason for change. There has to be something in the change process for the individual and for the company. Folks helping make the improvements, make the changes, they have to participate in creating those changes. Otherwise, they feel like change is being imposed on them. There's got to be a process for engaging the shop floor. Talk to the workers and get them involved in solving the problems. I mean, it's such a simple concept. Those are some of the key issues about assuring reliability and operational excellence. And I don't distinguish between the two. They're mutually dependent and supportive.